Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Saeed, currently working as Assistant Professor in Chemical Engineering Department, Muhammad Nawaz Sharif University of Engineering and Technology, Multan. Welcome to Fluid Flow Lab. Here students gain practical experience by using equipment that is relevant to industry such as pumps, various flow meters and laminar and turbulent flow experiments. These experiments help students to understand the mechanism of fluid flow and their application in chemical processing industries such as fertilizer and oil and gas industry. At MNSUET Multan, we believe that our engineering knowledge goes beyond the classroom. Our labs provide practical skills and confidence that is needed in the industry. I warmly welcome you to join Muhammad Nawaz Sharif University of Engineering and Technology. Come and become a part of our journey towards innovation, excellence and successful engineering career. Thank you.